In this example, we are asked to factor 6x squared plus 19x minus 7. This trinomial is a little bit more difficult to factor due to the fact that our x squared does have a coefficient, the number 6. There are multiple ways to multiply to get the number 6. We can have 1 times 6 or 2 times 3. So what we need to do first, I'm going to go ahead and write my sets of parentheses. This is where my factored form is going to go. Out here on the side, I'm going to do some scratch work. I call this a box method. I draw 4 squares. On top of this first set, this first column, I write my first coefficient, which is 6x squared. For my second column, I write the constant, the last term, 7. In here, I'm going to go ahead and write two numbers that multiply to give me 6x squared. I'm going to use 2x times 3x. 2 times 3 gives me 6. X times x will give me the x squared. In the second column, I write the factors of 7. 7 times 1, those are the only two factors of 7. So I write 7, 1. 7 times 1 is 7. Down here at the bottom, I'm going to go ahead and put an equals, and this is where I throw in my middle term, which is positive 19x. The next step is to cross multiply. 1 times 2x is 2x. 3x times 7 is 21x. Now I have to decide if I'm going to add or subtract to get 19. I notice I have to subtract 21 minus 2x. So this 2x is negative and the 21 is positive. So negative 2x plus 21x gives me 19x. I put a check mark. So what does that mean? It means that the two numbers I multiplied to get this 2x has to be negative. So this 1 is negative. The 21 is positive, so the 7 is positive. Here are my two factors. The first one is 2x plus 7. And the second factor, 3x minus 1. So the factored form of 6x squared plus 19x minus 7 is 2x plus 7 times 3x minus 1.